It's most important for linked text to make sense without the surrounding sentences or content. Ideally, each link should have a clear purpose and be distinguishable from other links, either from its text alone, ideally, or its immediate surrounding context. Linked text should also be unique and easy to speak out loud. Avoid link text like, click here, more, and read more. These kinds of links can be confusing when a screen reader reads them out of context. For example, here we have multiple change links, and visually we can see what they relate to. Unfortunately, screen reader users are not able to take advantage of this. Use ARIA label or ARIA labeled by to make screen readers read out a unique link text if there are multiple links that look visually the same. Like this.
Visited link. Change name. Visited link. Change date of birth. Visited link. Change address.
The link text should not state its semantic role. For example, don't say, link to, because screen readers already state the role before reading the link text. A link that opens in a new window or tab should indicate that it opens in a new window or tab.
Annotating links is vital. It provides clear guidance on where a link should navigate the user, whether it's an external website, another page within the same site, or perhaps a downloadable file. First things first. To annotate links, you need to go to the Assets tab. There you can search link. You can now drag that across, and you can change the callout direction. If you know the exact URL to the link to direct to, you can simply enter it. Otherwise, if the URL isn't determined yet or it's an internal navigation, you can give it a descriptive direction. For example, directs to health condition or disability page, or navigates to health condition or disability section. Here we're going to say link to health condition and disability page. Remember, clarity is key whether you provide an exact URL or a descriptive note. The goal is to ensure that the developer implementing the design knows precisely where the link should lead. Let's take a look at visually hidden text for links. It's a crucial tool to ensure everyone, especially screen reader users, get a clear and concise browsing experience. So what is visual hidden text? Visually hidden text is content added to a web page for assistive technologies like screen readers, but remains invisible to sighted users. It provides extra context or clarity, especially when the visible text might be too brief or ambiguous on its own. For example, these change links. To a sighted user, these links make sense within their visual context. However, a screen reader user might struggle to differentiate between them without additional information. So if you have multiple links within the same visible text group, you can highlight them. You can do this by using the rectangle tool, changing the opacity. We could give it a stroke as well. So we will be adding notes here. So this here is actually a component called arrow stop. So I'll be searching in the assets for something called arrow. Here you can link this information to the accessibility notes over here. So here we've added the tags. This tag here allows you to indicate that there's more information, which you can add to the side within a frame called accessibility notes. Here we've added that this is visually hidden text for the change links. It allows users to change the field name, for example, name, date of birth, customer reference, to the visually hidden text should be change field name to provide context to screen readers. Please ensure the hidden text is included in the component and is not visible to sighted users. This method is efficient in saving you from annotating each link individually, streamlining the design to development process. You might wonder, why just not use ARIA Label? While ARIA Label is a valuable accessibility tool, it overrides the content within the elements it's applied to. Visually hidden text has an advantage here. It can be more flexible. It allows screen readers to access additional contextual information without overriding or hiding any of the element's inherent content. Also, visually hidden text can be styled and managed just like any other text, offering more control and versatility. In conclusion, visually hidden text enhances web accessibility, offering clarity without cluttering the visible design. It ensures that every user, irrespective of how they access content, receives a comprehensive and meaningful experience.